Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics for grade 9 to 12. This is a question on probability, whereby you are told that you have two fair and dice, one a regular tetrahedron. Tetrahedron has 4 faces, and the other a cube, aradron. A cube, of course, has 6 sides. So the scores are added together. You have to complete the table to show all possible outcome. So for the cube, it has 6 faces. For the tetrahedron, it has 4 faces. So the outcome, the possible outcome, we add them together. So in the first row, you will have 1 plus 1, which is 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. On the second row, you have 2 plus 1, which is 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 6, 8. On the second row, you have 3 plus 1. So we are adding the row, we are adding the column plus the row. So to get the third column, we add 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 4, 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 3 plus 6, 9. Then finally, 4, this 4, the fourth value, to get the fourth row, we add the fourth value with all the rows on the first row. So you have 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is the possible outcome here, which is called the sample space for this case. So next, the student was going to find the probability that the sum is 6. So you take from this sample space and see where the sum is 6. So we have this one here. We have that. We have this other one there. That other one here, and that other one here. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the probability that the sum is 6 is 4 over the total sample space. The total sample space here is 4 times 6, which is 24. So the probability is 4 divided by 24, which can be simplified by 4, 1 by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So that is the probability that the sum is 6, which is 1 over 6. The sum is an odd number. So when we look at this sample space, there are 24. Odd number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. Probability that the sum is odd number is 12 over the possible sum outcome, which is 24. So by 12, 1, 24 divided by 12 will give you 2. So the probability that the sum is an odd number is a half. It's half from this sample space here. Then the sum is 6 or 9. So for 6, we have found it up there. The probability that the sum is 6 or 9 will be given by the probability of the sum is 6 plus the probability that the sum is 9. For the probability of the sum is 6, we have found it here. It is 4 over 24. The probability that the sum is 9, we take it in this sample space here. So we have, this is 1, 2. So it is 2 over 24. The probability that the sum is 9 is 2 over 24 from that sample space. Then you add 2, these 2, 4 plus 2 is 6 over 24. By 6, 1, 24 divided by 6 is 4. So that is the probability that the sum is 6 or 9. Remember, we are using this table here to obtain those results. This is the table we are making use there. Finally, you are told that there is this player here you are told that if a player wins a game by drawing a sum of 6 or 9 and draw a tree diagram, so you are to draw a tree diagram and to use it to find the probability that he wins at least once when the dice are drawn twice. So here you are going to make use of the probability that the sum is 6 or 9. We have obtained it here is 1/4. So that is what we will make use of in this question here. So the probability that he wins is 1/4. The probability that this person loses is 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4. In the second game, in the second game, is that the probability that he wins is 1/4. The probability that he loses is 3/4. On this other part, it is 1/4 winning, losing is 3/4. This is now the tree diagram here. Because the game is drawn, it is twice. When the dice are drawn twice. So that is where you have drawn it up to this level. Now, the question is, find the probability that he wins at least once when the dice are drawn twice. So it means that this person can win. So the probability that he win and win plus the probability at least once this person wins and loses plus the probability that this person loses, that is here loses and wins. Then we add all of them. So the probability that this person win and win is 1/4 times 1/4, which is 1/16. The probability that this person wins and loses is 1/4 times 3/4, which is 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16, so 3/16. The probability that this person loses and then wins is 3/4 times 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16. So when you add all this, you are going to have 1 plus 3 plus 3, which is 7/16. So that is the probability. And that is what was required, my dear student. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. Kindly remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video which you upload for us now and then concerning how to prepare for grade 7 to 12. In case you have any other approach which you think could be applied to tackle this kind of problem, kindly let me know. Also, you can give me a comment in the description below so that we may know how better we can make this presentation for us. Remember to share this content with the other mathematicians so that we may learn together. Bye-bye. See you in the next video as we continue learning probabilities and other content of mathematics from grade 9 to 12. Particularly, we are dealing with algebra. Bye-bye. See you in the next presentation.